Nutrition for a healthy life, a guide to optimal well-being. Good nutrition is the cornerstone of a healthy and fulfilling life. What you eat directly impacts your energy levels, mood, immune function, and long-term health. In a world filled with dietary trends and fast food temptations, understanding the basics of proper nutrition can empower you to make informed choices that nurture your body and mind. The fundamentals of nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which our bodies obtain and utilize essential nutrients from food. These nutrients are divided into 6 main categories. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's primary energy source. They are found in foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. Focus on complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy and are rich in fiber, over refined sugars. Proteins. Proteins are crucial for building and repairing tissues. Sources include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts. Aim for a balance of animal and plant-based proteins to cover all essential amino acids. Fats. Healthy fats are vital for brain health, hormone production, and cell function. Include sources of unsaturated fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, while minimizing trans fats and saturated fats from processed foods. Vitamins and minerals. These micronutrients regulate many body processes, from bone health to immune function. A diverse diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole foods ensures adequate intake. Fiber. Fiber supports digestion, heart health, and weight management. Whole grains, vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources. Water. Hydration is essential for every cell and system in your body. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, adjusting for activity levels and climate. Creating a balanced plate. A simple way to ensure balanced nutrition is to follow the plate method. Half your plate. Vegetables and fruits, focusing on variety and color. 1/4 of your plate. Lean protein. 1/4 of your plate. Whole grains or starchy vegetables. Including healthy fats in moderation and drinking water alongside meals completes this approach. Key principles for long-term health. Eat whole foods. Prioritize unprocessed or minimally processed foods over packaged and processed options. Whole foods retain more nutrients and are free from additives and excessive sugars. Practice portion control. Overeating, even healthy foods, can lead to weight gain and metabolic issues. Use smaller plates, listen to your hunger cues, and eat mindfully. Stay consistent. Consistency is more important than perfection. Build habits like meal prepping, reading labels, and carrying healthy snacks to maintain a nutritious diet. Consider your individual needs. Nutritional needs vary by age, gender, activity level, and health conditions. Consulting a registered dietitian or healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance. Limit added sugars and sodium. High sugar and sodium intake are linked to obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Opt for natural sweeteners and seasonings to enhance flavors. The role of nutrition in preventative health. A nutrient-rich diet helps prevent chronic illnesses like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Additionally, it strengthens the immune system, supports mental health, and promotes healthy aging. Research shows that small, consistent dietary improvements can significantly impact long-term well-being. Practical tips for a nutritious lifestyle. Meal prep. Prepare meals ahead of time to avoid unhealthy convenience foods. Snack smart. Keep fruits, nuts, or yogurt on hand for healthy snacking. Experiment in the kitchen. Try new recipes to make healthy eating enjoyable. Stay educated. Learn about food labels and nutritional content to make informed choices. Cultivate moderation. Allow occasional treats while focusing on balance overall.